You are going to love the 2020 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch. About 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.